Chief Secretary DP Walang has expressed optimism that the ongoing turmoil at Northeastern Hill University will soon come to an end. He revealed that he will meet the Secretary of the Ministry of Education on January 13 to discuss the issue and suggest measures to resolve the situation. Walang noted that a two-member committee has already submitted its report to the ministry, although the state government remains unaware of the decisions taken. He emphasized that as Nehu is not a state university, the government's primary concern is ensuring law and order, preventing any disruption to students' well-being.
The law and order is conducive and there is no breakdown of the law and order. But as far as the affairs of the university is concerned, it's a central university. We'll have to be very cautious. It's not a state university. We cannot take any decision on behalf of Nehu. I'm in touch with the Additional Secretary, Government of India, as well as the Secretary. In fact, I'll be meeting the Secretary on Monday, the 13th of January, to give him a brief of what has happened, because he just joined as the Secretary of Higher Education. I'll be meeting him and also advising him what needs to be done for Nehu. And I hope that we should see a breakthrough soon.